When the holiday season starts to approach, there's something magical that happens when we bring Christmas decorations into our homes. It's not just about lights, ornaments, or garlands, it's about the feeling that comes with it. Decorating your home for Christmas has so many benefits that go far beyond the visual. It's about creating warmth, joy, and connection for yourself, your family, and anyone who steps through your door. Think of it like setting the stage for memories you'll look back on for years. Decorating also has a powerful effect on your emotions. There's something nostalgic about pulling out those ornaments you've had for years, maybe ones you bought on a trip or received as a gift. Every piece of decoration can carry a memory, and when you display them, you're surrounding yourself with reminders of good times and meaningful moments. That emotional connection is a big reason why people feel happier and more excited when their homes are decorated. It taps into tradition and childhood joy, and it keeps that sense of magic alive. Another benefit is how it strengthens family bonds. Decorating the home is often a group activity. Maybe you and your kids put ornaments on the tree together, or you and your partner hang up stockings, or you invite friends over to help with outdoor lights. These moments become traditions, and traditions bring people closer. Even if you live alone, decorating gives you a chance to connect with your own sense of home and identity, reminding you that your space matters and that it deserves to feel festive. The decorations themselves also help create a welcoming environment for guests. Imagine someone walking into your home during December and seeing a beautiful tree, a wreath on the door, and soft lights framing the windows. It immediately sends the message that this is a space full of warmth, joy, and hospitality. People feel more at ease and more festive when they're in a decorated environment, and that makes gatherings, dinners, or even casual visits feel extra special. From a practical standpoint, decorating early can also help you get organized for the holidays. When you set up your decorations, you often end up cleaning, rearranging, and making space, which can make your home feel fresher and more put together. It's a nice way of starting the season with order and intention, instead of last-minute stress. There are also benefits for your mental health. Studies have shown that people who decorate early for the holidays actually feel happier for longer. The decorations are visual reminders of joy, and they can boost your mood every time you see them. In a way, decorating is a simple form of self-care, because it creates an environment that makes you feel good every single day during the season. Now let's talk about some suggestions and ideas to make decorating not only beautiful but also meaningful. Start with the entryway because that's the first impression. A wreath on the door or some lights around the frame instantly set the tone. Inside, focus on the living room since that's usually where people gather. The Christmas tree is the centerpiece, so choose a theme or color palette that makes you feel good. Maybe you want it elegant with metallics, or playful with colorful ornaments, or even minimalist with natural elements like wood and dried oranges. Lighting is another key element. Warm white fairy lights create a cozy and calm vibe, while multicolored lights bring in more fun and energy. You can place them not only on the tree but also on mantels, staircases, or even inside glass jars for a creative touch. Candles, whether real or battery-operated, add to the atmosphere and can make any space feel instantly warmer. Don't forget the smaller details. Throw pillows and blankets in festive colors, a table centerpiece with pine cones or poinsettias, and stockings on the mantel all bring the theme together. You can even add decorations in unexpected spaces, like the kitchen or bathroom, with small accents that extend the festive feeling throughout the home. Another tip is to mix old and new. Use decorations you've had for years to keep that sense of tradition, but also add a few new pieces each season to keep things fresh and exciting. That balance makes your home feel both personal and updated. And don't underestimate the joy of outdoor decorations. Even a simple string of lights on your porch, a few lanterns, or a decorated tree outside can bring happiness to not only you but also your neighbors and everyone passing by. It spreads cheer beyond your home and adds to the overall spirit of the season in your community. Decorating for Christmas is one of those experiences that feels like a bridge between the past and the present. Every year when you open those boxes of ornaments or unwrap the garland, you're reconnecting with traditions that may have started in your childhood or with your own family. That continuity is powerful because it reminds us that while life keeps changing, some rituals remain the same, and that consistency can bring comfort and a sense of stability in a world that sometimes feels a little unpredictable. Another wonderful benefit of decorating is how it can inspire generosity and kindness. When your home is filled with Christmas spirit, it's easier to embrace the idea of giving, whether that means sharing a meal, hosting friends, or even just spreading cheer to your neighbors. A decorated home has this way of extending its warmth outward, encouraging not only those inside, but also everyone who sees it to feel a little more connected to the season. There's also the creative joy of DIY decorations. Instead of buying everything ready-made, you can make your own wreaths, craft ornaments, or even put together table centerpieces with natural elements like pine cones, berries, or branches. This not only saves money but also adds a personal touch. Handmade decorations carry a story, and when someone asks about them, you get to share how you created them. Plus, crafting is a great activity to do with kids or friends, turning it into yet another holiday tradition. When it comes to suggestions for making the most of your Christmas decorations, one of the best tips is to focus on balance. You don't need to cover every inch of your house with lights or ornaments for it to feel festive. Sometimes less is more. A few well-chosen pieces in the right spots can create just as much magic as going over the top. Think of it like layering. Start with your main decorations like the tree or the mantle, then add smaller accents around the room to tie everything together. Colors also play a big role in how your home feels during the season. Traditional red and green bring that classic Christmas look, while gold and silver add elegance. Blue and white can create a winter wonderland vibe, and natural tones with wood and greenery can feel rustic and cozy. Choosing a color palette helps your decorations feel cohesive, making the space look intentional rather than random. And remember, you don't have to stick to one theme every year. Changing it up can keep things exciting and give you something new to look forward to. Another benefit of decorating that's often overlooked is how it encourages mindfulness. The act of carefully placing ornaments, untangling lights, or arranging a garland forces you to slow down and be present. Instead of rushing through the holiday season, decorating gives you moments of calm and focus. It's almost therapeutic, a way to let go of daily stress while doing something that feels joyful and productive. Now, think about how decorations can also serve as conversation starters. When friends or family visit, they'll notice your tree, your wreaths, or a unique decoration on the table, and it naturally sparks stories and laughter. Maybe you'll tell them about the ornament you got on vacation, or the handmade stocking you've had since you were a kid. These small details make visits more personal and memorable. Don't forget that decorating also allows you to celebrate your personality. Some people love the glamorous look with glittering ornaments and sparkling lights, while others prefer a cozy, rustic vibe with wood, plaid, and natural touches. There's no wrong way to decorate for Christmas, because it's all about expressing what makes you feel at home. Your decoration should make you smile every time you walk into the room, and if they do that, then you've succeeded. At the end of the day, decorating your home for Christmas is about creating joy. It's about making your space feel alive with holiday spirit, giving yourself and others a reason to smile, and turning ordinary days into something memorable. The decorations aren't just objects, they're tools that help build connection, happiness, and a sense of belonging. So whether you go all out with every room in your house covered in lights and ornaments, or you keep it simple with just a tree and a few accents, the important thing is that it feels right for you. Let your decorations reflect your personality, your traditions, and your vision of the holiday season. When you do that, your home doesn't just look festive, it feels like a true reflection of joy and love. Decorating for Christmas is more than a task on the to-do list. It's a way of celebrating life, family, and the spirit of giving. It's about creating a space where memories are made, and where every glance around your home reminds you of the beauty of the season. So take the time, enjoy the process, and let your decorations bring happiness into your world and to everyone who shares it with you.